Hi y'all, I'm Fallon, and if you're looking for a book to introduce critical literacy to grade ones, then this is a wonderful book to start with. The themes include inclusion, family, and kinship. The book is called A Family is a Family is a Family, written by Sarah O'Leary and illustrated by Chin Lang. This book explores what different families look like and shows different forms that kinship can take on. It can get students thinking about what is kinship, how do you know you belong to your family, what do those relationships look like, and do families look different than yours? This is a great book to perform a prediction exercise with because it can help students kind of confront what they thought before. So you can get students to kind of talk about or write down what they think a family is or what a family means. And to some kids, it might be, oh, a family is two parents and kids. And to other students, it might be people who don't get along like siblings, but kind of need to work their way through it, but they still love each other. And through reading this book, afterwards, children can reflect on their personal biases about the meaning of family and really start to think critically about the assumptions that they make. Like every other family looks like mine, but they don't. And there's lots of different forms that family can come in. Students can connect to the book by talking about what makes their families special or different. And inclusive literature like this helps students to understand that others have different experiences and views than they do. And that doesn't have to change a lot. It doesn't have to change how you interact with them or how kind you are to them. The messages that are conveyed through this text are really great to start talking about with elementary age students. And to start talking about inclusion and why would you think that one family is lesser? Because they still have love. And it's really great. Students can also talk about what they pick up from the book. And I just think it's really lovely to start talking about inclusion and what different family structures look like. And that's my book. Thanks.